Welcome to my backyard garden. Today I'm going to do an experiment. It's going to be an all-winter experiment. I'm going to use this roof de-icing cable and bury it underneath the soil in my 8-foot bed. I'm going to see if I can grow crops all winter long with this. All right, a little bit about the cable. This cable, 3-prong plug, it has a little light in here. When you plug it in, shows that it's on. When you get this, I plugged it in to test it to make sure it was okay. Don't leave it plugged in and wrapped up like this. This gets pretty hot. In fact, it gets pretty hot to the touch. So if you're going to test it, plug it in, check to see that the light's on, and then take it out of the outlet, and then you'll be ready to go. The cable's 30 feet long, which is going to be fine for my 8-foot bed, and it puts out about 150 watts. 150 watts is pretty hot. So we'll see how it works keeping the soil warm. The idea is I want to create radiant heat in this bed, and I'm going to use a row cover over it as well to trap the heat in overnight to keep the soil warm so my cold weather crops don't freeze and die. The plan is to lay 4 rows of this cable down about 5 inches apart, and that'll give even coverage in the bed. I'm going to plant it about 3 inches deep. I'm going to start with this end first because I don't want to leave myself short on the plug end. So I'm just going to run this down here. Now I know I've got 30 feet divided by 4 is 27.5. So that leaves me about a 7-foot length here, so I can start 6 inches in from the edge of the bed, and I got 5 inches in from the edge of the bed on the side. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to leave this uncovered so I know where it is. And I'm just going to plant this down 6 inches, working my way down the bed. I don't want to plant it too deep. I don't want to plant it too shallow because I don't want it to interfere with the roots of the plants. But 3 inches is probably a good depth. Okay, I've got these wires in here marked to show me where the rows are going to start and end, so I can run straight down to the other side. So all I do now is going to loop this around and work my way to the other end of the bed. Now once I get done with this, I'll even out and flatten out and level the bed so this is all consistently buried under about 3 inches of soil. Well, you know what you should do? Learn by my mistake. The blue part of the cable is included in that 30 feet. So that's about 2.5 feet or so. And you don't want that little plug thing, the connector there, underground too. So I'm going to figure we have 25 or 6 feet. So I'm going to take that down a little bit. Had to pull it all up, but I'm going to rebury it. Okay, the cable's buried, ready to go. Plugged it in. I want to show you that orange light. It's right there. The orange light. That shows you that the circuit is working and the cable is heating up. It should be warm, a little warm to the touch, and it is. So there we go, heating the soil, get some radiant heat going on, and I'm going to plant some lettuce and stuff and cover this with a row cover and see what happens in about a week or so. Okay, all done with the installation. We'll see how that radiant heat works throughout the winter, and see if it works as well, better, or not as well as the heater, the ceramic heater I have under that cover. But hope that was helpful. If you liked the video, give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you would, leave your comments and questions below. By the way, I will leave the product descriptions in the comments section, and then pound that bell to get notified of my future videos. Back soon with more stuff. Bye-bye.